Okay. Got to use the ATM at BPI. Set it down. You can go ahead and set it down. Hold this for me, please. So I use the BPI ATMs because the BDOs and the all the other ATMs, BDOs, PNB, all that, they only have a max limit of 10,000 pesos, whereas BPI is 20. Everything is pretty much else the same as any other ATM you go to. They still charge you the surcharge. They charge you a surcharge to use the ATM like any other ATM you go to. Okay, there you have it. Yeah, it's great. So yeah, this is the one I recommend people use if you can, is the BPI ATMs. Like I said, their max limit on the withdrawals are 20,000 pesos, whereas all the other ones I've ever tried, the max limit you can pull out is 10,000 pesos. And I mean, to me, if you're going to pay the surcharge, you might as well pull out as much as possible to last you however long. So anyways, that's pretty much it. ATMs are pretty much the same as anywhere else you go. Just be careful when you use these, you know, situational awareness. Look behind you, make sure there's nobody looking over your shoulder. Try not to visit these things alone. Come with a partner if you can. Just be careful, that's all. Other than that, that's pretty much it. BPI ATMs in the Philippines are the way to go as far as I'm concerned. So thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon. See you later. Bye-bye.